Assalamualaikum dan every good day. Alhamdulillah. This day I want to measure the sound of the engine. So how to measure the sound of engine? So now let's go to the procedure. Let's go. Now you must have a measuring tape. Now my measuring tape is 3 meter. 3 meter. Okay, for now, please come close. At the hood, you must measure about 300 mm. So 300 mm like 30 cm. So 30 cm like that. This is a 30 cm. So this is a hood. So there is hood. This bumper must clear about that. This bumper. So hood like that. So something 30 meter. This is a 13 meter for the hood, from the hood. Okay. So let's go the next. Thank you. Welcome back. Now I want to tell you about how to check the sound. So firstly, you must start your engine. Must get ideal speed RPM. Let's go. So now I will start the engine. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Gear masuk dulu. Okay, gear free. Okay. So please come close. The RPM is ideal for this car. So now go to the how to check the measurement of sound. Let's go. Hey, to all my friends. Now I want to show you how to measure the sound. So you open this sound meters. So like that. Kalau you are not clear, it's okay. I will put in the video. So please come. I want to check the ideal RPM for this car. Now so let's go check the sound for the engine. Use the app sound. This is a distance 300 millimeter from this hood. So now we can start the measure the ideal RPM. So the ideal dB meter, the RPM is 80.2. Okay, so I 80.2. Okay, so let's go to the RPM 1500. So please help me to push the pedal at 1000. 1.5 RPM. So the measure is 1.5. 8.3. Okay, let's go to the 2000 RPM. So let's go. open, kau hold dia dekat 2000. Okay, now the value is 91.3. So we go to the 3000 RPM. So the RPM, if you want to push, you hold that the pedal to get a constant RPM. Okay, so now 3000. So let's go. So the value is 94.2. Last RPM is 4000. So the 4000 RPM is the value is 97.3. So this how to the measure, how to get the sound. Thank you for watching this video. I will put the value the RPM and at below in this the video. So thank you for watching. I hope the explanation will give you understand how to measure the sound of car. Okay, thank you for me.